happening in India's digital printing market, and you're catching all the action exclusively on GeoBuiz with me, Ishwina. I am with Devang Karia, who is the country head for large format printing for HP India. Welcome to GeoBuiz, Devang.
Good afternoon. Well, thank you for having me here.
Devang has just introduced the availability of HP PageWide 8000 XL printer in India. So why is it worth our viewers' attention, Devang?
It's a groundbreaking technology that HP is introducing today in India under our PageWide brand that we have created within the business. It's something that is very different than our other traditional large format printers. We believe that this will disrupt the entire production business that we have across the world, which is in the tune of about $1.3 billion. And this is an innovative technology which will disrupt this particular segment and change the way printing has been done in the production space until now.
But with so much chatter about big data and projected displays, how relevant is paper in today's world?
In my opinion, print will always remain. So it will only change in the way printing is being done, and you'll see it happening in various different ways than what has been happening previously. Just to give you an example, for example, if I talk about somebody or an organization like the military, we have our soldiers, we have our generals, we have our commandos who are basically on the front line. In that particular scenario, imagine somebody trying to use a digital device, trying to track and locate or identify spots where he needs to go. I don't see that happening. So yes, there will be a lot of shift that will happen towards digital, but I see print also continuing to be a very strong element in the entire way that communication and messaging is being done today in today's world.
So if we talk about geospatial industry, what challenges are being faced by print service providers today?
What we're talking about today is basically the PageWide portfolio that we have announced in terms of availability for the Indian market. We foresee this product to be offering solutions to our customers in various segments across the print industry. We're talking about customers who could enjoy benefits and the advantages and continue being a differentiator against technologies that are relevant or prevalent today in the market. We're looking at customers in the technical space who could benefit from this particular portfolio. We're looking at customers from the graphic space who could benefit from this portfolio. We're looking at customers from the production space who could benefit from this portfolio. And we're talking about transforming the way print is done by taking color mainstream, because traditionally a lot of printing, especially in the production space and the technical space, was being done on black and white previously, and this was driven by the technology that is available today, which is LED. We see PageWide transforming that, and we see color now penetrating into areas where it's never been before. It'll be a lot easier for our actual users of the print to use color to communicate their messaging to their end customers who are actually going to use the print. So in that respect, we see this as a game changer. It's something that is going to really disrupt the entire market, and we are very excited with this announcement for India.
What kind of business opportunities do you foresee the printer creating for, say, a vertical like AEC, Architecture, Engineering and Construction?
So we're talking about the PageWide 8000 XL, which will help our technical customers, deliver in shorter timelines, deliver prints which are far superior to how technical printing is being done today, especially on our LED platforms. We are looking at the adoption of color increasing rapidly in the technical space. We are looking at the possibility of the same technical customers also looking at segments where they were not able to penetrate before with their current devices, and with a platform like this, they can try and enter into spaces where they have not been able to go to basically drive growth for their own businesses as well. So we see multiple things happening post this announcement. We see and rapid adoption of this portfolio across India, of users actually wanting to jump and get the machine as quickly as possible. Similarly, we also see a lot of excitement getting built in the actual user space as well, because we are talking of color at the price of black and white, and it's something which is going to be a big news for our actual users of the print in the industry today.
So you're convinced that HP PageWide XL 8000 series is going to be a game changer in the Indian market?
I'm extremely excited, and I also thank HP for giving me this opportunity to drive this portfolio in India. But I strongly believe we will change the way printing has been done until now, for sure.
Thank you for talking to GeoBuiz, Devang.
Thank you for your time. Pleasure meeting you. Thank you.